Students are currently working on carpentry skills, mark, measure, cut, assemble on Christmas trees. They marked, measured, and cut and finished 15 campfire chairs this semester already. And when they finish this project, we'll start working on the roof on our classroom. The chairs and the trees we're going to sell at the craft fair in Lawton on November 21st, 22nd, 23rd. The craft fair is booths of all kinds of things that are handmade, homemade, and people gather and sell them for the holiday season. It's a lot of fun. You get to meet a lot of people and show off the work of the students that they've done and worked so hard on. And we make a little money to support our program.